guys, what's up? I'm really excited because today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorites for Halloween, my must-haves for this year. A lot of these things I am going to be using in Halloweek that's coming up on the 22nd, so mark your calendar and make sure that you are subscribed so that you know whenever my videos go up and go live. Halloweek is all about Halloween for a week. Every day for 7 days, a new Halloween video, Halloween costume, and they're coming out so good. I'm so excited for you guys to see those. So these are kind of like sneak peeks showing you some of my favorite makeup, like lipsticks, palettes, some other things that I use for blood and for all the things that I use for Halloweek and for Halloween. So hopefully if you're looking for something for Halloween, you can find what you're looking for here. Most of these products are affordable, like the products that matter. You know, the eyeshadow palettes, you can always find something that is similar, but all the other Halloween type of things are really affordable. I go really affordable for Halloween. That's just how it is. I don't buy expensive like watercolor paints, but I do have good water-based, like water activated paints that work really, really well. So you can still create the art and still do what you want to do for Halloween, but at an affordable price. So I'm really excited to share with you guys these products. I hope you guys are too. Make sure to give me a like and don't forget to be subscribed, like I said earlier. So first things first, let's talk about hair. Let's talk about wigs. Guys, wigs at Walmart, those wigs, do not get those wigs, you guys, because if you're gonna buy a wig, most likely you can use it again later. Or if you do Instagram or if you do more videos, you can use it later. So buying a good wig is very important. And I'm going to show you guys some really affordable wigs I got off of Amazon that I love, and I'm using all of these for Halloweek. So first off is this red wig. She is so freaking gorgeous, and I'm not gonna lie, it's not super shiny where it looks super fake. Like, I really love it. This one is a side part, and it just is so nice and long and beautiful. And again, I got it off of Amazon for like, I think the most I paid for one of these wigs is $30. So very affordable, you guys. This is such a gorgeous one. I will link everything below. So that wig, I got this one, which is a purple wig. It has like that net inside, so it's like it looks more real, and you can't, like, it doesn't look so fake. And again, this is one that you can part any which way. She's a little tangly, she's a little crazy. Whoa, a little crazy right now. But oh my gosh, this purple wig is so beautiful. I used this a couple times during Halloweek. All of these wigs are from Amazon, guys. Last, again, the netting, the front net or whatever you call it, I'm not sure how to call it, is this one, this little baby right here, which is green. It's short, it's beautiful, and I definitely would wear any of these wigs out because they look just really good. They're good quality, they're thick, they feel nice, they're not too shiny to where they look fake. Like, they really do look like hair to me. So really beautiful. So those Amazon wigs, you guys, Amazon is the place to get a majority of these things. Okay, next, something I want to mention for like props, outfits, things like that, Savers, you guys. If you haven't gone to your Savers, there's so many affordable things. Everything that I got to go with my outfits for Halloweek are from Savers, everything. And it's so cheap. You can make such a cheap outfit, and then you look through the thrift clothes part and you find just shirts and pants that kind of match and make your outfit, and then you get the accessories there. So that's really good. I did want to mention that. Also, something that I think is so necessary is a glue stick, you guys. This one is one that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it's just a purple glue stick. And this is what I use to remove your eyebrows. You use a glue stick. So I definitely recommend the glue stick. The purple one's really great. And this just kind of flattens out your brows so that you can be able to look like you have no brows and kind of erase your brows anytime you're doing a makeup look. So I absolutely think this is such a necessity, and it's so affordable and so cheap. Something else that's so affordable and cheap is vampire blood, you guys. This is so inexpensive. You can find it at Walmart, $1. You can find it at the Dollar Tree. Like, these are just so great. I love it. And you can even mix lip gloss with this, clear lip gloss, to make it thicker if you want. Also, I make my own scab blood because I don't use a whole ton of it. If you use a ton of scab blood, you can get like a little tub in Amazon for very cheap, and it's Amazon Prime, so it gets sent to you for free in like a couple days. If not, you can make your own scab blood, and I have a whole video showing you guys how to do a cut, how to do scab blood. I'll link it up in an iCard. Is it over here? I always forget which side. But if you want to make your own scab blood, I went to the Dollar Tree. I bought a just clear lip gloss like this. I bought a red lipstick. This is the one they had at the time. It's like a chunky lipstick. And all you need is a black eyeliner. So you mix a black eyeliner, the lipstick, and some lip gloss, and it gives you that chunky, old, scabby type of blood. And it's just really easy to do at home, and I always use these in my Halloween kit for any time that I need anything like that. I have it there. Or you can just buy a tub of scab blood if you so choose. So along with that, you guys, is this. I'm so glad I got this. This is the Manic Dream Tone Vegan Flawless Foundation and Color Corrector in Virigin, which is the whitest white. You can get it off of Amazon. I'll link it below. But this is just like you just add it to whiten foundations up, to lighten them up, or you can just use it by itself to whiten your face. I really like it, and I like it because I have a lot of foundations that are darker, so that anytime I want to lighten them up because it's my winter shade, or I want to lighten them up but still have foundation on for Halloween, I can just put some of this on there. They do have foundations that are starting to come out with like a white shade as well. I'm pretty sure, I want to say LA Girl has a white foundation now, so you can always do that to kind of mix in with foundations, and then in Halloween time you can whiten your skin out. So I think this is really good. I love this one. This is just a really good one. Okay, next, latex, you guys. Latex seemed like such a hard thing for me. Like for me, I like things to be easy and cheap and affordable, and I thought latex would just be too difficult to apply. It really is not, you guys. It is the easiest thing ever. I did it just a couple days ago, and it's so easy. This is the one I like because this one does not stink. So this one is a liquid latex from Kangaroo. It dries clear, you get the wrinkle effects, can be used as an adhesive, makes realistic monster skin if you want to do that. You can add flour to it to make prosthetics, which is a little more advanced. But latex is so good, you guys. You can glue on anything that you're doing. Like for example, I'm going to be doing leaves that I'm gluing on to my skin. I just put a little bit of latex down, glue it, and then I just put the leaf on top, and it will dry and stick to it, and then you just peel it off, and it's so easy. It doesn't hurt at all for it to come off, especially with water. If you rub water, it kind of balls up and comes off. So it's so easy to come off. You definitely want to be careful around your eyes, but this one does not smell. There's some of these that are very strong. Is it ammonia? I'm not sure what is the ingredient, or is it alcohol? I'm not sure what ingredient makes them smell really strong, but I found the one that doesn't have that. It's free of that. I don't remember what it's called. I'll put it here. I don't remember off the top of my head. And so this one has been really good because it doesn't smell, it doesn't have a strong scent or anything like that. And it's just, I really love it. It's really easy. And this is so cheap. This big tub is so cheap. So I definitely love that. Okay. Anything that you need off of Amazon, get it off of Amazon. These are vampire false teeth. So this one came in a pack of 3 sets of false teeth, so 6. 2 come in each, and these are like the vampire ones, and they're so easy because they come with these little pellets. I found different ones on Amazon, but this one was the best one because they come with 3 different sizes, and then you have these little pellets that you just heat up in hot water, and then it turns into like this mushy plastic that you can put into the teeth and then mold onto your teeth so they can stick. And so it's really cool. So I have been loving these ones. These ones are nice. So they're like 17 millimeters, 19 millimeters, 15 millimeters. So I'm definitely using these for Halloweek, for a couple of costumes, but I think these are just so amazing. And these are, again, were super affordable, you guys. Like I'm talking about super budget friendly. So these are some good ones. Amazon is the place to search, you guys. All right, more makeup related type of things. So besides tissues, Halloween, tissues is a must-have if you want to make it look like you have charred skin, skin is coming off. tissues and latex will do that for you. Dollar Tree. So you know. Okay, so next are things that any costume could possibly need. So these are cream paints. So you do need to set this with some type of eyeshadow or translucent powder. These are cream. So these are really friendly for kids. Now they will, if the kids touch their face, it will get everywhere, but these are just really, really nice. This is from Imagic, and now there's so many flash palettes on Amazon. Just type in flash palette and you'll find a bunch, or I'll link this one below. This one, when I first bought it, was like $10, maybe $12. But there's so many flash palettes from different brands now that are so inexpensive, and they just work so great. So you definitely don't need an expensive one. You don't need a forever, what is it, Make It Forever one. Those are expensive. You don't need that. So definitely recommend something inexpensive like that. Also, you guys, the water activated paints. I found this palette, and oftentimes water activated paints are not super expensive, but they usually sell them in singles, and I don't want to spend $5 on a single, because if I need like 5 or 6, that's a lot of money. So this one ended up costing maybe $12, and you get 12 shades in here, and these are great, you guys. You just get water on your brush and you mix it in. The more water, the thinner the consistency, the thinner the color. It's more of a wash of color. If you use less water, it's more, the color's more opaque. So these ones work so nice. Again, you have multiple colors. The reality is you're probably not going to hit pan on one of these. You know what I mean? I did half my face black and I didn't hit pan. So these are just really, really, really great, especially if you have kids. This is another one where you can put it on their face for face paint. So it's safe. So this one's a really, really good one. These ones dry. So once they're dry, you can touch your face and it's not going to come off unless you have water. So these ones are really nice. And I think for Halloween looks, this is definitely a must have. And again, it's so affordable, you guys. So I definitely recommend, if you need water activated paints, to check this one out, because it really is a good one. Okay, so palettes. These are some of my favorite eyeshadow palettes that I've used for Halloweek and that I have been using. First off, Beige Cosmetics has some of the best colored palettes ever. This one's the Take Me Back to Brazil, but if you need something bright, there's a bunch of colors in here. There's a black, and this is really, really nice. So I've actually used this a couple times. Also, they have the they have some other of their palettes. What are they called? The foil palettes. Those ones are really good as well. So if you need colorful palettes, Beige is always my go-to. Now, the smoky palette, let me tell you, if you need a smoky palette for any of your looks, I just love this one. I got this in a BoxyCharm. It's the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette, and just the colors in here are so smoky and perfect and beautiful for like a vampire, like a old demon looking thing, like anything like that where you need grays and blacks. This one is really, really, really good. I actually really, really like it, and just for day to day, this is like the ultimate smoky palette. I just love it so much. Also, you guys, surprisingly, I hate having to say this because a lot of you guys are tired of hearing from Morphe, are tired of hearing about the Vault collection, but it's just what I have lying around, and I've been using both of these palettes, the Dark Magic palette and the Ring the Alarm palette, because anything that you need, like reds and oranges, this is like the ultimate palette that's just all in one. Anything that you need, like these dark greens, dark smoky colors, again, these don't have grays, but anything like that, you can use this palette for. So these both have been really, really nice. Okay, this is the palette that I use every time I am doing like bruising, a cut. I use this palette. This is the Poster Child palette from Wet n Wild. I don't know. Oh! Don't do that! Gosh, man! You freak me out! Don't just stare at me like that. It's creepy!
I was just enjoying you.
No! You freak me out! Oh my gosh, you almost gave me a heart attack for real. Don't do that.
Enjoy me.
And you have a black outfit on and you're just like sitting there all creepy. Great, it made me sweat. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm stopping.
No, don't.
So this is just my favorite palette for any kind of bruising, and it's the Wet n Wild Poster Child. I don't know if they still have it, but if they do, anytime I do cuts or bruising, this is the palette, you guys. I'll link that video up. Okay, so last couple things that I think are really neat to have is this paintbrush. If you're someone that likes to use or wants to use like the watercolors, the face paint, that kind of stuff, These brushes, they're the Zooting Painter Friend Professional Artist brushes. I'll link them below. I got these from Walmart. They look like this. The brushes themselves, the ones with the blue handles. So I got a big kit of these. I don't remember how much it cost. It was so inexpensive. And there's all types of sizes. There's bigger sizes. My bigger brushes are dirty right now. But these are great for those water paints. I love these. These are absolutely amazing. And even one of these thin ones I love to use for eyeliner. So these are just some really good ones, and they're really cheap and affordable, like painter brushes. See, this is one of the bigger ones that I just love these. Last, you guys, I'm telling you, the dollar store is where it's at. They have this kit of like 6 of these little painter pots here, and that's where I dip the water in. That's where I put my latex, anything like that. These are just really great, and you can find them at the Dollar Tree. So I think that these are really good. Also, you guys, some lipsticks that I have been loving. Wet n Wild Cat Suits are great ones. They have black, green, all different kind of colors. But also these ones. These are the Beauty Bang liquid lipsticks. I will link them below. I might even have like a % off code. I did a review on these a while back. I'll link it if I do, or I put it down below. But these are my favorite colors ever. This one's 05 Weirdo, which is a beautiful gray. Then this like mint green called Dirty Money, one of my absolute favorites. And then this purple, this one's called Jinx. They also have like a red. So these ones will last you all night long. You can use them for liquid eyeliner. You can use them for, they are liquid lipsticks. So I just had to give this a little mention because these are some of my favorites, as well as the Wet n Wild Cat Suit liquid lipsticks. Those ones are really cool. They even have metallic ones. So if you're looking for a liquid lipstick like that, I definitely recommend you checking those ones out as well. So that's it, you guys. Those are some of my favorite must-haves for Halloween, particularly this year. I think I'm going to make it a tradition that every Halloween I'll do another one of these videos sharing some of my favorite products, things that I've been getting, things that I'm doing for Halloweek. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video, this quick video, and I hope you guys are getting excited for Halloweek. Don't forget, on the 22nd, it is starting for a whole week. I hope you guys are excited. I love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and for spending some time with me, and I guess I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.